Alright y'all, RPH back at you again. This time I just wanted to bring you a quick video because I wanted to check this joker out. Recoil Audio 2-channel line output converter. This thing is supposed to be, right here on the box, says 2 channels of active speaker level inputs with dual amplifier outputs. Speaker level inputs accept up to 400 watts. Has a bass enhancer and bass compensator circuitry. So I guess they're trying to tell us it's like a epicenter and a active AccuBass on audio control. 9.5 volt preamp outputs, and it has a dash bass remote with digital voltmeter. So, see what we got in the box. Well, okay. You can see it's nicely packed in some styrofoam. Try to keep us in frame here. And here we go. So we got our bass output, bass X threshold. There's no knob. Is there a knob? Yeah, a little gain pod in there. And then our main output. So then our power remote in, a remote out. I guess I can turn around here, we can read it. Speaker inputs, your bass remote, signal sensing. Yeah, pretty nice piece. And what we got here, we got bass level, our main level, and bass X. Turning the gain all the way up to maximum may increase your noise floor. Be careful. Remember, gain is not magic power. Y'all got that? And we'll set that joker there. I don't have anything right now to test this out on. I did get it for a reason. And whether or not I'm actually going to stick to that reason why I actually got it is we don't know. So we'll slide that over. Of course, we're going to get a nice little instruction manual. It is called the ploc2. And let's see here. Y'all seen my last video. Y'all know technical difficulties love me. So does technical difficulty on paper. We'll just kind of skim over it, and anything you guys see that you want to know, you can pause. We done pretty much. There's a bass X setting. Let y'all guys pause that if you need to look that over. And yeah, I will read it over later in case I do what I need to do. So here's your signal connections. Okay. And there's specifications. What's signal noise ratio? 110. Okay. Alright. Yeah. Okay. Well, initial impressions are it's a nice looking, feeling piece. And yeah. And here goes our little audio control style connectors, bass remote cable, and the bass knob. Now, didn't it say that it had voltmeter built in it? I guess maybe it's right there. So, yeah. Pot feels pretty good. It doesn't have clickies. It's just a kind of a mid and medium feeling. Not too loose, not too tight. Just kind of right there in the middle. I wonder if you can disassemble this and flush mount it. Can't even get that. Is there a little screw hole? Anyway. And for some reason you can push it in. So should act as a volume and hopefully a bass level. Anyway. Okay guys, that's it for this one. Just a quick little unboxing and checking out of this Recoil ploc2. If you're trying to integrate into your factory system, this should be a really nice piece to do it with. And then I really like the fact that it does give you 2 sets of outputs, so you can run your 2-channel amp or 4-channel amp off of the main output, and then you can run your subs off the bass output, and then you got the bass X and the bass restoration and the bass enhancer, whatever it did. So, okay guys, that's it for this one. Catch y'all in the next one. Alright, if y'all stuck around, y'all know me. I couldn't stand it. I had to see what it looked like lit up. So we have our power, we have our green power light. And I'm assuming that maximize is going to be a clip light indicator. And yeah, there's our voltage meter. Oh, I guess off is off. Yeah, I guess off just turns the voltmeter off. I thought that may actually be like a main volume, and then you push it and then it'd be sub volume, but nope, that's not the case at all. It's just your voltmeter on and off. So okay, now we out of here. Catch y'all later. Alright y'all, need to quit saying I'm out of here. These connectors, be very, very careful. If you get one, you have to unplug it for some reason. That's the speaker and the power connector are exactly the same. See, that's the same connector in power and same connector into the speaker. So hook it up like this, but if you have to unplug it for any reason, watch what you're doing. You will blow some stuff up. Okay, bye. We out this time. Haha.